Stampers, this is Dawn from DawnStampingThoughts.net, and today we're going to make my April thank you notes. We're using Smoky Slate, Pistachio Pudding, and Soft Sky. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to make the Smoky Slate one today, and here are the measurements. The Whisper White piece is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And then your Smoky Slate cardstock is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. And then your Whisper White piece is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so we're using Moon Lake. It's in the Occasions catalog, Work of Art, and then also Gifts of Kindness. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and stamp our image. I already have that on this block here. I'm going to use the Memento ink. Okay. And then we're going to use the Thinking of You, which is also in the Moon Lake stamp set. Just going to stamp that right there. So cute. Alright, so then I went ahead already and stamped the duck with Thinking of You also. And I'm going to show you what I did with the two different cards. So for the larger one with the boat and the tree, I'm using this image from Work of Art. And then this image with the duck and then the bird and the tree. So I have those on a block. And I'm going to use the Soft Sky for the duck. And then the Smoky Slate for the boat. I'm going to grab a piece of scrap. Okay, so let's do the boat. We're going to ink the larger image up with the Smoky Slate. And I'm going to do a 3-generation stamping with this image here. So I'm going to stamp it first, full ink, lift up, and I'm just going to move it slightly upward, stamp it again, and then go up to the top. And that's 3-generation stamping. Super easy. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this image with the duck, with Soft Sky. Stamp it once, and then one more time. It's like that. Super easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this onto the Soft Sky and the Smoky Slate. Okay, so for the inside, I'm going to do 2-generation stamping. So I'm going to ink that up with the Smoky Slate. And I'm just going to stamp once and then stamp it again. That's it. And then I'm going to take this greeting, which is from Gifts of Kindness, and it's right here. What a beautiful thing, the gift of you. And I'm going to take my Memento ink, and I'm going to stamp that greeting right over top of that image that we just stamped with the Work of Art. Beautiful thing, the gift of you. And then we're just going to attach this to the front. Okay, so then we're going to add some dazzling diamonds. So I'm going to take the 2A glue pen, and I'm just going to dot the tree and then the boat a couple places. Take the dazzling diamonds. Okay, isn't that pretty? Okay, so those are the Smoky Slate, and I already had and stamped in that one too. And let me show you the Pistachio Pudding. And then again, the Soft Sky one. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.